Hi everyone, and welcome to 375 Dance Studios YouTube channel. I'm Amanda, and today we're diving into a question I get all the time. How can I memorize dance steps quickly and easily? Whether you're a beginner or polishing your moves, these tips will help you lock in choreography and dance with confidence. Plus, we will learn a quick and easy salsa routine together. Memorizing dance steps quickly is all about the right techniques and a supportive environment to practice them. At 375 Dance Studio, we have created a space where learning becomes second nature. And with our 375 Dance and Thrive program, you will not only master new choreography faster, but also gain the confidence to make every step your own. If you would like to improve your cognitive ability, boost your mental well-being, and elevate your fitness routine, click the link below to learn more. Tip number 1, break it down. First, here's the routine that we're going to break down. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. First, we're going to break down the routine step by step into manageable pieces. So, we start with just a basic step. We have back and together, forward, replace, together. Let's try that one more time. Back, replace, together. Forward, replace, together. Then we have our side basic, which is side, replace, together. Side, replace, together. We'll do it one more time. Side, replace, together. Side, replace, together. Then we have our fifth position break, which goes back, replace, together, back with a turn, back, replace, let's repeat, back, replace, together, back, replace, together. We have our half basic into an underarm turn. We go back, replace, together, forward, turn, continue turning and put the feet together. Let's try that again. Back, replace, together, forward, turn together. When we are doing this process, we are thinking about building the steps like a puzzle, piece by piece. Tip number 2, use counts or rhythm. Dancing is all about the rhythm. We could either think about it through counts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or we can also think about it through steps. Forward, replace, together, back, replace, together. We could even think about it as quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, whichever works for you. We are going to do it through the counts. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 to the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We are going to do our fifth position break, but I'm going to do it through quicks and slows now. We have quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, underarm turn, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. This helps to sync your brain with the steps to the music. Tip number 3, practice with repetition. Repetition is key. The more you repeat, the more it will become second nature. Start out slow and then slowly build the speed. First time I'm going to do the routine, we are going to start out slow, and the second time I repeat it, I will progressively get a little bit faster. And 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 to the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. A little bit faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Tip number 4, visualize the routine. Visualization is a powerful tool. Imagine yourself performing the steps smoothly and confidently. Use mirrors if you can to check your form and movements. Tip number 5, add cues. Mental cues can make steps easier to remember. For example, while I'm dancing this routine, I could be thinking back, together, forward, together, side, together, side, together, back, together, back, together, back, together, turn, and together. And now we put it all together, and here's what we get. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And there you have it, a quick salsa routine and tips to memorize steps like a pro. Practice these tips and you will be amazed at how quickly you pick up new choreography. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more dance tips and routines. See you on the dance floor.